I'm Eric Franke. Thanks for joining me for News 3 at 10. Madison teachers reach a contract deal with the school board. It is tonight's top story. The tentative contract means a raise for teachers as well. News 3's Brad Chaimson has more on the deal. He's live at our news center. And Brad, these talks they started back in the spring, and both sides likely very relieved here to have reached a deal.
Well, Eric, this was the first time since 1997 that Madison teachers started the school without a contract. Now, the tentative deal includes a 1% base salary raise each year of the two-year agreement. Also, the district will be paying a nearly 4% increase each year that includes benefits. We spoke with the leaders and teachers who say they're happy an agreement has come together. Madison West High School tech ed teacher Jim Buchanan has been with the district for 19 years. He says he's relieved his union and the school district have a tentative agreement.
I'm glad to see it's done. We always talk about, 1% raise, inflation goes up 2%. Are we going forward or backwards? But given the state of the economy and people being laid off and whatnot, I'm satisfied with where we're at.
Cheering on students at a Friday football game, Buchanan said health care is his main concern.
When you get a little older, health insurance becomes a bigger issue. And not to say that pay isn't, but it doesn't take very long to spend some time in the hospital and run up some big bills.
Superintendent Dan Nerad says insurance providers agreeing to reduce rates increase the ability to work with the school district's proposed budget.
That doesn't account for all of it, but accounts for a majority of it in terms of the savings that we were able to accomplish. So I think the good news is we had an idea in mind that would not create additional complications.
Front row. The contract must still be ratified before it becomes official. Madison West Athletic Director Mike Libb feels it shouldn't be a problem.
I don't remember ever a time when the bargaining team brings a tentative agreement back to the bargaining committee and then back to the membership and it's turned down. So yes, I'm confident that the bargaining team secured for the teachers the best package they possibly could.
The contract carries teachers for the next 2 years. If it passes, they say they can go back to doing what matters most.
We can get on with our main job, which is, preparing kids for the future.
MTI, the teachers union, will meet to vote on the contract October 14th, while the school board will likely decide on it on October 19th. So it'll still be a few more weeks before anything's finalized.
The story will continue to follow. Brad Chaimson live at our news center tonight. Brad, thank you very much.